gonna climb the stairs with your boots? Oh, you better be careful. What do you think about those boots? Are you boot scooting? Boot scooting boogie? You want to take them off? Let's see you try to climb the stairs again. Go up the stairs. Brandley. Go up the stairs. Go up the stairs. They're slippery. We may have found our solution to keeping Brindley off the stairs. Just keep her in boots all day. She can't climb the stairs. Let's try it again. So frustrated. Brindley, go ahead and climb the stairs. Climb the stairs. There you go. Go ahead. Just gotta get these things off, huh? Climb the stairs. Oh. Did you spit up a little bit? Yuck. Here. Are you gonna climb the stairs for us? Alright. Go get your bear. Climb the stairs. Folks, we may have our solution to Claire's stair climbing. You can't climb those stairs. It's a keeper. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Burnley, can you wave? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.